Welcome back. Okay, what have here, it is a light. You all knows this, all types of headlights that you braai with and whatever you do with them. This is one I bought from the local China mall. But the issue is with this, the band that's around your head, the rubber inside there is always is like after a while it perish. Or it doesn't fit well, and then you have to move it and move it. This is an irritation. So what I decided to firstly to take this light and mount it on. This is like a old hat, or it's like actually a new hat, but a cheap one that I bought at the local store. So it looks almost like this one. We all knows this safety helmets. You just with the inner, you just go and you cut with the angle grinder, just mark it and cut it around so that you get like this, and the inner. So the inner just clip in here, you just clip it out, and then the whole reason is just to make it a little bit lighter. You can use the whole helmet, but it's so there's a little bit less space it takes. Then you go and you mount, drill 2 holes here inside the plastic here, and then you mount them with screws inside here, and the inside here there's 2 nuts. I just put a fuse in there, shoot in the wiring. I'll explain the supply now just for safety because it's a lithium battery. I bought like a single lithium cell, and then I just wire it up from the inside here to make it work. It's the same circuit. It is just easier, or it has longer use. It has the same charging circuit. There's a charging plug. It's a 4.3 volt lithium charger. Okay, inside here was a cavity with a lithium battery, but it's obviously a Chinese issue. Most of them get manufactured in China, I guess, but this doesn't last so long. So I put a proper lithium battery in here. I just fasten it with 2 cable ties, just wire it up with a fuse, and connect it here with the same circuit inside here. So it has the same off and on switch. So this is nice now. You quickly put it on your head. If you need the power's off, you put it on and then you go. There's also a nice feature. This thing moves. This whole thing moves for the focus. I will show you now, and then but this is a nice idea, just to put it on your head quickly, and there you go. It's not band or any rubber band that irritates you. And so let me just show you the focus of this lamp quickly. Okay, here's the charger that you get originally with the unit. As I said, it's a 4.3 volt maximum for the lithium to charge the lithium that was in there, but it uses the same plug. There is the same charging plug, so you still charge it with the same charger for the job to charge it full. Okay, the switch is on here. You can see here, there's the look. If I move this thing, it goes like this. So this is nice to focus a little bit more on the job, or have a more equal light image. So this is a nice idea. If you like this video, give thumbs up or subscribe for more interesting stuff. I hope you find this interesting. Thank you so much, and cheers.